Alright, hey everyone, Phil, 33 Mile Bees here. I know it's been a little while since I got a video out. Been busy at work and just trying to keep up with things. And the videos haven't exactly been a high priority. Had a couple extra hours here and thought I could go through a couple of these hives here. Out yard is out on 25 acres of pumpkins that were planted, and I want to try and get a couple more hives out here. They're basically out here just for the pollination, and just want to check them, see how strong they are. These are mostly splits and swarms that I've caught, and I just brought some honey supers, so if they do need more room, I'll just give them a honey super. I'm not going to dive into them too deep here, but we'll see what we got. Ooh. All right, so let's see. This one here, again, they're pretty full. Nothing outrageous. I did add some new frames, so we're drawing those out. Don't have any smoke lit up or anything like that. I'll put you back over here. This is just kind of a last minute thing, so they're probably going to get a little mad. In fact, I didn't even bring a hive tool with me, but do have a wood chisel, so that'll work just as good. Okay, so here, another one. Like I said, most of these, I brought them over here. I brought them over in nukes and put them into a 10 frame. So this one's doing okay. Still got 2 to 3 frames yet of room. This one is pretty full. So grab queen excluder. I know it's probably not the proper way to do it, but it is what it is. We have been kind of going off and on into a dearth around here with lack of rain. We got rain a couple days ago. So things are greening back up. So hopefully the nectar flow will start up again here. Now this one here was one of them that I got from out in California. This hive here, but in transporting it, it ended up losing the queen. So I'm trying to build this one back up. Gave them a new queen. It's full, but it's not overflowing. So they're coming back. Let's see, this was a swarm I caught. Again, it's when I brought them out here, I have in a pro nuke, gave them 5 new frames. They're building that up like crazy. So I'll just give them a little bit more room. Okay, sorry about the plane going over. Right at the end of a runway path. There's a runway straight to the north, about 1 mile. Alright, one more hive here. Let's see how this one looks. Somewhere with a foamy left. Let's see. Very good foamy. Yeah, it's pretty full. I'm here. I might as well just add a honey super on this one. Just to give them more room. Get kind of a split here. Man, they are not happy. Alright, so what we got, like I said, just kind of in cruise control for now. Kind of in a small dearth, kind of coming back out of it. So they are not very happy right now. So yeah, no smoke would help, but I'm kind of in a hurry. So that's what we got. I'll try and see if I'll take you on to the next out yard. All right, back with you at another out yard, apiary, what do I call it. This one here, I've had this out yard for a few years now. Overwintering, these were the only two that ended up surviving, and they're doing okay. But I figure I got some time, so I'll go through them, just see if they need some more room, and see what happens. Alright, wow, these ones are doing real good. They have, let's see, this one here, if I remember right, I put a new, or a super on, new frame, so those are all drawn out. I'll go ahead and add another one here. Give them a little bit more room. Probably what I should have done, so you guys can see better, is put on here, this one here in the end. First, right here. Let's do this now that we're done with that one. All right. Let's start down here in this end. This is a swarm my son caught for me. I was at work. I wanted to give it a try. Doing okay. We got about 8 or 9 frames of bees. So they're doing all right. We'll leave them. Get the lid back on here. There we go. All right, this one was actually a split that I took off of the one up here, because there was swarm cells. So, okay, this one's looking quite good. Now what I'm going to end up doing here, this next one here, was a dead out. So to make this kind of easy, and just do that. There's the bottom board here, and I think it's about time we get rid of it. It's got a lot of carpenter ant damage, so that'll go in the burn pile. Old foamy. Tried getting this one type and they weren't holding up very good. So, all right. Good there. Yeah, this one here you probably can't see very well. Full of bees on the top. And, oh, good lord. I think they're doing okay. Grab a beekeeper. And of course, leave it to me. I'm gonna have a queen excluder. So what I'm gonna do, leave that one for a minute. Let's check this one here. This one, if they're not up in the honey super, I'm gonna use the queen excluder here. All right, yeah. You see, they're not even up in this honey super. So, here's what I do. Take this queen excluder and honey super. And move that over here. Probably should have cleaned that off, but oh well. We'll clean it up. There we go. This one, they're doing okay. Let's get you in here a little better. Just curious here. Oh, yeah, that's all. All right. That is full and heavy. Oh, figures. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take a chance on it, give them this to see if they'll draw out some of these frames. I'm pretty well out of mediums with drawn. So we'll do that. And just like that, we just kind of went through all them hives and put them back together. And that's it. So this time of the year we don't really dig in and check the brood chambers unless it really looks like it needs it. It's usually by this time you can tell if the colony is getting smaller, then yeah, we'll have to go into one. But right now it's just a matter of adding honey supers and making more room still. So hopefully we got a couple more weeks of flow. Different plants around here. I know the milkweed is starting to bloom. Supposedly the basswood is supposed to be coming pretty soon, although there's not that much around here. Catalpa is, there's still a few trees blooming. That's almost done. And a few other smaller varieties of plants, but they're flowers. But other than that, just kind of, like I said previously, just kind of trying to do in cruise control and going from there. So not much else. Hope you like the video. Like I said, I'll try and get some more out here soon if I can get caught up on everything else. So, all right, catch you all later.